Unlock hidden investment gems by uncovering properties with code violations, and Propstream is your secret weapon. Let's dive right into Propstream to find these undervalued assets first. Navigate to the main search bar. This is where we'll begin to narrow down our focus. Instead of searching for a specific address, we want to cast a wider net. Initially keep the property type set to any for now. Now, the magic happens with our filters. Click on the Filters button to unlock a world of possibilities. Within the filters, locate the Property Characteristics section. Scroll down until you find the Code Violations option. Click the little box next to it to enable this crucial filter. Next, let's refine our geographic search. Expand the Location filter. You can either select a broad county or a specific city where you're looking to invest. To further identify potential off-market deals, consider filtering for non-owner-occupied properties. Look for the owner-occupied filter and select No. Once you click Apply Filters or Search, Propstream will generate a list of properties that meet your criteria. Pay close attention to the Code Violations column. This is where you'll see if a property has outstanding issues. Click on any property that catches your eye to view its detailed profile. You'll find a dedicated Code Violations tab or section within the property details, offering specific information about the nature and status of these violations. Propstream's map view can also be incredibly useful. Activate this view, and you can visually identify clusters of properties with code violations in your target area, making it easier to scout for opportunities. By leveraging these filters, you can pinpoint properties that may be undervalued due to code violations, presenting excellent opportunities for motivated investors to step in and create value.